ratio is best. Perfect timing moments.
What if I jump?
Two, chill bro. Three, yeah.
I will say this
Safe.
though, chat. I feel a lot more comfortable with the lights being on in here. It's like a form of protection, you know?
Four, no sharks.
What is that? Oh, that stone action. You know what's crazy too? I don't see no shark in this area. No, that's copper.
Five, you have been spared.
I would ask that you would please don't kill me. I've been through a lot. Please spare me.